Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to give the access of your sheet to someone else. So whenever you open a Google Sheet, you see here the share symbol or text with the log icon. Click on it and it will ask how many people or groups or calendar events you want to add. So in this case, I'm going to add the people. Let's say so here I have added test123 at the rate gmail.com. If you select it and then give the editor access, it will notify this person that hey, someone has shared the sheet with you. Check it out. All you need to do is click on send and then the notification will be gone. Let's say if you don't want to notify the people, you just want to share the access with them, so they'll be having the access but it will not notify via email. It will just be there in their drive, and whenever they type this subject going in the drive, then it will automatically pop up and you can easily access the sheet. So that is how you can give the access. There are more controls you have while sharing the sheets. So you can give a editor, viewer, commenter access to the people. So when you select viewer access, so there are more controls you have um, on this sheet while sharing. So you can choose viewer access or commenter access. When you choose viewer, he or she cannot comment on the sheet, only they can view the sheet. But if you select commenter, they can comment on any cell. If it is not protected, then they can comment on the particular sheet. So if they have something to say, all they have to do is um, uh, like all they have to do is comment on the sheet, then the owner will get notified, hey, someone commented on the sheet, they want something, and always the owner can get back to users. So this is how you can give the access to other people. Thank you so much.